Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can put into s to the power of 1 over 3. So I will put this one go to numerator. So we put the negative on the power. So we have like this. So the integration of this one, that is about negative 1 over 3 plus 1 over negative 1 over 3 plus 1. And then we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. So 1 plus negative 1 over 3, that is about 2 over 3, minus 5 over 7, and we have number 0 to the power of 2 over 3 over 2 over 3. So we calculate this one, and we got approximate about 1.7, and this is the answer. Question number 2, we need to consider about f of s equals to 1 over the square root of 9 minus s squared. We put negative s go in here. So because this is about even power, you got about positive. And this one equals to f of s. So this is about even function. So the bounds is symmetric. So this one, that is about number 2. And we have the integration from 0 to number 3. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 3 sine t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have number 9 sine t square. So number 9 and number 9, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 3 cosine t dt. Now we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 on here to find the value of t. So t equals to number 0. When s equals to number 3, so we put number 3 go in here, and we can find the value of t. That is about b over 2. So number 0 we keep the same. Number 3 we change by b over 2. ds we change for 3 cosine t dt. So this one I will put in here. So we have number 9 sine t square. So number 9 and number 9 we can do about factorization. And we have 1 minus sine t square. And this one that is about cosine t square. So the square root of number 9, we have number 3. This one, we have cosine t. Now we simplify this one, and we just have only like this. The integration of dt, that is about t. So we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. So I will put this one cone here, number 0 cone here, and we got about b. This is the end. Thank you for watching.